Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can send your email to Starbucks. Keep watching the video till the end. To send email to Starbucks, firstly open your Google search. Type in Starbucks email or Starbucks support and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, you can see a lot of ways to contact Starbucks regarding customer service, media contacts, investor relationships, partnership and sponsorship requests. Moreover, you can also connect Starbucks through social medias like Spotify, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter as well. Now to send email to Starbucks, copy the email address under customer service section. Open your Gmail, paste the address, enter the subject and compose your email, then tap on arrow icon to send your email to Starbucks. This is how you can send email to Starbucks quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.